Are you looking for a quality superheated electric steam boiler? O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Limited is a privately owned company. We offer a wide range of steam boiler solutions that can help. We operate as Australia's largest boiler company that offers fire tube boilers also. Our licensed service technicians are always on call who maintain combustion equipment. Our goal is to provide superior trustworthy superheated steam boiler equipment solutions. We meet safety, regulatory standards, and will reduce operating costs. Experience quality, an on-budget solution to combustion heat processing. O'Brien Boiler Services has approximately 60 staff across Australia and has offices in Victoria, New South Wales, Queensland, and Western Australia. For any queries, please call on 1300 771 759. We also offer services in 24-hour emergency care. Visit https://obrienenergy.com.au to learn more.